I really went to SG for this. For the love of scents, relieved face emoji. One thing I would have appreciated is if they'll give you info about the scents that you picked after finalizing your perfume. Like from which plant or which part of the plant it is derived from. You know, like most of perfumes, you can see ingredients on the label. All I got was the codes. Doesn't have any idea about which specific plant the scent came from. I went to Scentopia as one of our days planned to celebrate my wife's birthday. Klug's purchase and redemption was flawless as usual. Upon entering Scentopia, we experienced great hospitality by the very friendly staffs, from the start at the reception counter to the explanations of how to formulate our individual fragrance, and finally creating the fragrance and bottling it. The overall experience is unique and definitely a memorable one, not just for my wife but also for the entire family. I also bought the Klug package, which included Shake Shack meals. Redemption was quick at the counter. Totally value for money and highly recommended for those interested in perfume and Shake Shack. Thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji. Easy to follow but lacks the ability to customize something you really like, as each scent that we smell is made up of a combination of notes instead of just a single note. Fun for kids but many too simple for adults. Attending the perfume making workshop was a delightful and unique experience that left a lasting impact on our wedding anniversary celebration. The workshop not only allowed us to create personalized fragrances but also provided an opportunity for quality time together. We were guided through the fascinating world of scents, and the process was both educational and fun. The workshop facilitators were knowledgeable and passionate, making the entire experience engaging and enjoyable. We discovered new scents that resonated with us personally, and crafting our own signature fragrances was a special way to commemorate our anniversary. The scents we created will forever remind us of this memorable day. It was a perfect blend of creativity, learning, and togetherness. We highly recommend this workshop to anyone looking for a unique and meaningful way to celebrate a special occasion. Thank you for making our anniversary truly unforgettable. Little fun afternoon activity at Sentosa. I'd recommend come early and walk on the beach walk from the last stop of Express. You will be able to reach Scentopia and start making your own perfume. Absolutely love this experience. Did it for a girlfriend's birthday and she totally enjoyed herself. All of us had fun smelling the different scents and reading about the different scents. I love the experience. Worth every penny. I had fun smelling different scents and figuring out what scents I prefer. They will allow you to take your time. Overall, I had fun. And I love the perfume I curated. I recommend. Pink heart emoji. Very unique and eventful experience, whether you're a tourist or not. Although the place feels a little rundown, it meets the expectation of making your own perfume based on your characteristics. Highly recommended for all demographics. The team were so helpful and nice. We had fun. We learned a lot. They were so skilled, and yes, we really wanted to do it again. 4-leaf clover emoji, Christmas tree emoji, heart hands emoji. Plenty of choices. You get to choose your own scent and test your final product multiple times. Perfume comes in a nice packaging as well. Fun experience with something to take home. Interesting personality test to start with, which gives you instructions on the category of scents. Friendly staff and support to make your own perfume. However, a bit far if you can't hop onto the shuttle bus. You have 2 attempts to design your perfume. We chose this place during our free time on the school trip. We were hesitant to go, thinking it would be too expensive just to make perfume, but there was a discount, so we all decided to go as we were there. Since we are Japanese, we were flustered and unable to understand the explanations given by the locals, but the staff translated into Japanese and kindly served us. Each person had a really different scent, and although some of the scents were similar, they all had different scents somehow. It was fun to go and make a lot of noise together. There was a lot of stuff, so it was good value for money. Definitely worth it.